According to the CDC, those who are at higher risk for the coronavirus include older adults and people who have serious chronic medical conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and lung disease. The coronavirus is highly contagious, but there are ways to fight back because of the makeup of the virus itself.
This is an envelope virus. Okay, why do you want to know that? Because the good news is envelope viruses are easy to get rid of if you clean them off. Cleaning them off your hands, cleaning them off of surfaces, and in general, being attuned to when you are touching what.
Cleaning products that destroy the coronavirus include soap and water, bleach, isopropyl alcohol, and hydrogen peroxide. Wipe down countertops, doorknobs, and other surfaces frequently to reduce your risk.